In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an MX record on Namecheap. Whether you're setting up a new email system or tweaking your existing one, adding an MX record is a crucial step in ensuring your emails are correctly routed. By following these steps, you'll be able to manage your domain email settings with confidence. Let's begin by making sure you're logged into your Namecheap account. Start by clicking on the account button at the top of the page. If you haven't already, type in your username and password. Once you've entered your credentials, click sign in and continue. Now that we're in, navigate to your dashboard. You'll find this option by clicking the link to the dashboard, which gives you an overview of your account and domains. Once on the dashboard, find the domain you want to modify and click on the Manage button next to it. This will bring up a series of tabs related to your domain settings. From here, switch over to the Advanced DNS tab. It's where you can add or modify DNS records, including MX records, which are essential for directing emails to your email server. Click on the Advanced DNS option to access all these settings. Once in the Advanced DNS section, scroll down to locate the Mail Settings area. Go ahead and click the drop-down menu. Here, you'll want to select the Custom MX option. This selection allows you to configure the specific mail exchange servers that will handle your domain's email. Next, you'll need to enter a few details. Start by typing @ in the host field. This symbol signifies that the settings you're adding pertain to the entire domain rather than a subdomain. The next field you'll need to fill out is the mail server field. This is where you enter the mail server address provided by your mail service provider. Ensure you input this information accurately, as any errors could result in misrouting your emails. After entering the mail server, move on to the priority value. This number determines the order in which servers are attempted when delivering emails. Lower numbers are tried first. Choose a priority that matches what your mail provider has recommended. Once everything is entered, don't forget to save your changes. You'll find the Save All Changes button usually located at the bottom of the page. Clicking it will apply all new settings to your domain. And there you have it, your MX record is now successfully configured on Namecheap. Remember, DNS changes can take some time to propagate, so be patient as the settings update across the internet. If everything is set correctly, your email should soon be routing to your newly configured mail server without any hitches. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful, feel free to check out more guides for additional tips.